Modern output. There we go. Does that work? Can I hear myself? No. Still can't hear myself. Okay, cool. So advanced audio properties. Modern output. Can you hear me then? Does this work? Does everything work? Wait, yay? 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 What's yay? Yay? Can you hear me? Because I can't. Oh, does it? That's... Oh, I know why. I know what's going on. Hold on. Open sound settings. Wrong one. I'm using my laptop to hear me right now, and I think my laptop has Chrome to say... Yeah, there we go. Alright, I can hear myself. That's good. Okay. Wonderful. Great. Alright. Well, I didn't know I was muted. That's kind of annoying. Hello, Moon Man. Thank you. Thank you. I wish I knew that sooner. Well, good. Thanks for joining me, buddy. That's probably why I know he's here. Well, since I was muted for the whole entire damn time, I'm going to go back to what I was doing before. Guys, now that people can fucking hear me, god damn it, buy a t-shirt. Buy a t-shirt. Here's what it looks like. This is great, wonderful, Gildan quality t-shirts. Like, this is like 3 steps above Fruit of the Loom. Like, if you want a Fruit of the Loom t-shirt, fucking go to Walmart. I don't give a shit. Sorry, Moon Man. But guys, buy a t-shirt. They're great. You have the fugly unicorn on there. You have, remember, you can do the thing. So inspirational. If you want one, it's a few easy steps. Guys, go to www.thatprogrammingguy.com. There are 2 G's. G in the programming, G in the guy. Press enter. There's 2 ways to get to it. You can either click the hamburger here, go to merch, or you can click this picture right here. Look at that. You can select between man and woman. I do offer them in white as well. Look at this. Let's go to medium. I want a medium guy shirt. I want it to be white. Look at the magic. It changes to white. And then here's a cool thing. If you go to small and you want a white, look at that. That is a happy customer wearing one of my shirts right now. You know you want a shirt that looks like that. Guys, go in here. It's 40 bucks. I know it is a bit expensive, but man, the quality of this t-shirt is so worth it. The rainbow is worth it. The motivational thing right there is totally worth it as well. Buy one, you'll get fulfilled, and you guys can expect to get your wonderful Gildan top quality t-shirt with the fugly unicorn and rainbow on it. You can expect to get it back in 2 to 3 weeks. Again, go to www.thatprogrammingguy.com, click on the unicorn and go to merch. Guys, fucking get your t-shirt. It's great. Alright, so right, vector. So in other languages, a vector is an array. Is basically a vector is a array-backed data structure that uses. A vector is a data structure, and the backed is an object. It's a way to store data, and the data structure that's backing the vector is an array. And the reason why people like arrays is because you get kind of the random access portion of an array and the speed of an array, and it can also change sizes. So as you guys know, arrays, once you declare them, I want an array of 10 elements, that's it. You get an array of 10 elements. You can't change the size, and the reason why is because it's a continuous block of memory. Vectors are backed by arrays, so let's say you make a vector of, like, I don't know, 10 items, and you have to add an 11th. A vector has the logic in it to basically make that array bigger. How it does that is makes an array of x 10 plus elements, whatever you want, and then it copies all of the elements into the array. The downside of this is if you have to expand the array, do you expand it by half? Do you expand it by twice the length? So if you have 10, do you make an array of 20? Do you make an array of 30, 40, 50? What do you want the expansion rate to be? And the other thing is copying all the items over, which is a thing you have to worry about as well. You know, if you have like 10,000 array, 10,000 sized array, it's going to take you some time to copy over the 10,000 sized array. Which is kind of crazy. And then I guess you could get more into it where it's like, well, let's say you have a 10,000, let's say you have a 5,000 item array, but you're only using like 2,000 items of it, and you need to make it smaller. How do you do? I don't know. It's interesting. But anyway, immutable boxed vectors keyed on the monad they live in. Why are there like 2 ints? Like, what are these for? Why are they pound ints? Haskell, you're not helpful. You're not. What are the 2 ints for? Fuck. So he makes what? An array, a vector, and fill maze. VM.replicate number of cells fresh. I don't know what he's doing anymore. Whatever. And I don't know what a prime monad. I think it's just a monad on primitives. A VM vector of prime state M and a cell, which is what this is. It's a mutable array. Why is there a fucking exclamation mark here? Why is Haskell so confusing? Fucking serious. Guys? So I'm guessing a primitive monad is a monad on a primitive data thing. That's fine. And also now it's a prime state and a cell. So basically we have a middle vector of cells and they hold a prime state. I have no fucking idea anymore. Whatever. Guys, it's working. It works. So now, here's an interesting thing I want to show you. Somebody from the Productivity in Tech Slack channel got this to me. And this person is like, hey, here's a lot of cool things you can use to make Haskell easier. And so I'm going to do that. And this way I don't have to keep, like, dealing with Notepad++. Because I didn't know all these Haskell tools existed, so we're going to also install some Haskell tools as well. I'm so annoyed that I've been muted for the whole entire time, but Moonman, thank you so much for letting me know. So we're gonna get IntelliSense in here. We're gonna get some other things. So the Haskell tooling ecosystem is very rich, and Vim plugins make use of those tools. I wonder. Oh, this is really hard. Oh, what the hell? For the past few weeks since I enrolled in Introduction to Functional Programming, it's quite interesting and challenging. After searching and trying code editors, I finally clicked the Notepad because it allows one single shortcut click to compile, run the Haskell code. There are IDs as well, but I didn't try. Okay. Wait. Okay, so you don't tell me anything. Alright. Alright, fuck it. We're gonna do this. Haskell IDE engine. Installation instructions. Installations with Nix. Installation on Arch Linux. Installation from source. Okay. Haha! In order to avoid problems with the long paths in Windows, you can do the following. Edit the group policy. No. Download the source code. Git clone. Recurse submodules. CD Haskell IDE engine. Using the Shake build system. What the fuck? I'm just gonna do this. Oh my god. Like, why is this so confusing? Just to do something. Stack dot install dot hshie 8 dot hie. Can I just do that? No. Install HIE. Does this work? Uh, 8.6.4? That works. Okay. So, oh, it's using Amazon AWS. How dare they use Amazon? They should be using Azure. Don't they know I'm a Microsoft employee and they should be using Azure? How dare they? Moonman, how's Walmart going for you? I need fucking someone to talk to. Also, guys, if you're watching this on YouTube, give me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. Give me a thumbs down if you hate what you're seeing. In any case, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. You work at 12 today. Oh. Let me know what you think. Because I want to know if you like what you see. Let me know if you hate what you see. Let me know. You work at 12 today, huh? I don't have to work today. I like not having to work today. I'm one of those people who get to work on the weekdays. All right, fucking. Oh, by the way, guys, I just want to let you know. The Microsoft bonus has come in. Well, it will be coming in. What? Bonus will be coming in. So I plan to get me a new computer. I'm excited. You work at 12 today. Well, I hope you like it. You should have another dance off. Learn how to do that backflip. Alright, what the fuck am I installing? HIE. The project game is a universal interface for a growing number of Haskell tools, providing a full-featured, okay, we're currently focused on the language server protocol. Installation. Okay, follow the instructions of this. What's Nix? What is Nix? The repository provides cached Nix builds for the latest stable Haskell IDE. HIE. Makes sense. For all supported GHC versions, it is intended to be a success for HIE Nix. Nightbot, stop doing that. If you wish to use pre-built binaries available with Linux and Mac OS, configure all HIE cache with these instructions. On Linux and some versions of Mac OS, building to install stable HIE for a specific set of GHC versions is the following. What is Nix? Can I even build this? Okay. And this is what sex is like. This is used for like Linux people. Oh, Windows people, we're not going to tell you what to do. Okay, this is where I was at. Oh, that felt good. Install Nix. Okay, this is way too much work. This is way too much fucking work for what I need. Guys, we're gonna just get into some Haskell. We're just gonna fucking get into some Haskell, guys. Fuck this shit. Git, oopsies, cdc git dir cd maze cd Haskell dir cd maze dir notepad plus plus. I'm using the command prompt. Do I look like a wizard yet? cd source not fit git not damn it dir notepad plus plus cell.hs common.hs lib.hs maze. Can I do that? Will that work? Oh, hell yeah. Why is my nose stuffy? Where the wizard beard? God damn it, you got me, Moon Man. Fuck. I don't have that wizard beard. I am sorry. Maybe that's what I should do. Just have like an episode of me just pounding on the directory. Oh, I know what to do, guys. That website where it looks like you are a hacker. Haha, hacker typer. Guys, I'm hacking the systems. Right? Oh, I love this so much. Alright, yep, I don't have it. I'm sorry. Alright, so now we have Notepad++ up. Haha, oh my god, look at all this bad stuff. If I go into bookmarks, and I go into... If I go to here... Alright, so we're going to delete that. Just because I didn't even know how the fuck to do any of this. Alright. I'm in, yes. So we're going to use the monads. We're going to use this. So basically what he does, he has the configuration. And basically what he will do is basically fill maze L. He gets the configuration. He gets us the fresh shells. He gets all the borders. And then he folds by basically doing something that I don't know. To make a cell list. This fills the maze, which is like uber fucking crazy what he does. So this is gonna be, I bet they use that website in the movies. Maybe they do. I have no idea. However, additionally, what they could probably do is just have somebody type a lot and then type a lot and then just have the screen just auto type. Moonman, have you seen my dog? Would you like to see my dog? She's fucking awesome. So yeah, we're gonna be using some stuff. So we're going to be having main, right? Input common. The dog. I take that as a yes. All right, hold on. Lucy, come here. Come here. Oh, boy, come here, baby girl. Haha. This is Lucy. Hold on. Here we go. This is Lucy. There you go. Thanks, dog. You made someone else happy. Alright, so we are going to go import. Import. We do have control.monads. We're going to have a random monad. So we're going to do that. Control.monad.reader. What a nice looking dog. Thank you. Lucy is... what? She'll be 16 in September. She is a very old dog. Actually, if you catch me during my Active Fireball streams, I actually use this second camera right here to actually watch my dog. I made my dog into a cam girl. It's great. Yes. Yeah. Lucy's 16, and if she wants to, she can drive. All right, so control.monad.reader. We're going to get some monads in here, right? So we have some show maze from configuration needs a run, reader T, fill maze, and render maze. Okay, so you know, no. I'm going to take the idea. I'm going to just try to do this. Because there are many ways to do what I'm doing now. There is the, I could copy what he's doing. I could not copy what he's doing. I'm going to not copy what he's doing. But however, I'm going to take his ideas. Which is great. So basically, we have a, we had two separate functions. We have the get list of empty cells, get direction of cells, and then have them kiss and make pleasant babies. Also, just let you know, Moonman, this camera right here isn't to be like, have you guys read it, just to show you stuff's happening, because I do learn a lot more when I'm reading, when I'm writing stuff down. So, I am going to do this. I'm going to Control Q. I am also going to Control Q this. Alright, so this should work. So if I go to CD backpack stack build, right? This should totally work. I think it should work just fine. Yeah, she can drive. I don't know if I'd want to drive, because remember, she is old. I don't know how long she's going to be here still. Yeah. Tastes like soap. Alright, so now here. Also, I do plan to actually start making courses. I will eventually like add a subscription thing where you can pay me $20 a month and get access to like better curated courses. It's gonna be cool. I'm thinking of starting to make the courses next week or so. I just need to make a freaking plan. But yeah, so I need to first get a list of fresh cells. So, cell. I need an empty cell. Ooh, man, I would love some syntax highlighting right now. So, syntax highlighting would be really good right now. So we are going to go back and we are going to look at one of his earlier ones. This one. So we are going to fresh cell is like this. I see. So I'm going, no. I'm not going to copy, guys. I know everyone tells you to copy. Nightbot, shut the fuck up. Jesus Christ, Nightbot, stop it. Fuck you. Fuck. Fucking A, Nightbot. There, shut the fuck up. Jesus. Nightbot. Spammer. Alright, so we need a fresh cell. So we're going to have a function called make fresh cell. Make fresh cell. Returns a cell. Make fresh cell is equal to false. 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, false 0. All right, so now we have a make fresh cell. So now we need to make a list of fresh cells. And oh, hey, computer's about to die. Come on. No. There we go. Alright, now top is not going to die. So he makes a fresh cell. And he has the move to index from index valid. What does he use? He uses a fill maze L. Replicate. Number of cells, fresh cell. Didn't I use replicate as well? I did, but I think I made a replicate on like, yeah, data.sequence.replicate 25 nothing. So if I'm this is a data.list replicate, right? Controls non-random lens. Oh right, lenses, I forgot. So if I do la 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 ba 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 da ba do 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 do. Empty cells is equal to replicate number of cells, fresh cell. There we go. I believe that's how he does it. Replicate. Replicate number of cells, fresh cell. Awesome. Let empty cell. So I think I'm using let because it's not monadic. Can I do a stack build with this? Invalid type signature. Make fresh cell. Should be formed. Oh, right. Because you're stupid, Haskell. God fucking damn it. Are you happy now, Haskell? Are you fucking happy? No, you're not. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, false, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, false, 0. Alright, what am I doing wrong? Let L equal replicate number of cells, fresh cell. A fresh cell returns. Should return 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0. Deriving equality. I don't need that. Direction point cell list is. Where are you? Where is the fresh cell function? Yeah, returns a cell equals that. Oh, because there we go. I really want some syntax highlighting now. Oh my god. Yeah, I'd love some syntax highlighting. Error. Oh, replicate, okay. Prelude.replicate. So let's take off. Let's get rid of that, shall we? Build. Fresh cell. It should be here. Data cell equals cell. Let's put this here. Let's move this over here. This here. That there. There we go. Data cell equals cell. Yeah. Make fresh cell that. What's going on? Why can't it be found? Oh, by the way, I'm still turning out config. I'm just gonna wait till I get my fuckity fuck new computer. Oh, yes, that's because this needs to be lowercased. There we go. Variable non-in-scope fresh cell. So this does have to be like that. Oh. No, because I call it make. There we go. Alright, so now we have empty cells. Cool. Wonderful. This returns a list of things. So replicate, if you look at stack GHCI, we get the info on replicate. It takes an int and an A and a list of A. So this means it takes an int of the number of times you want to replicate, do the thing. It gives us the function and returns that. So now we have a list of empty cells. So now we need the directions. And how does he do that? Basically, we need to go through and get a direction of where to go. And we need to make them kiss. Fill maze, and a traverse borders. Get a list of directions, which is impure. That's fine. I see. So let is used in the do notation when we're returning something that is pure. So this has no side effects. So basically, we can run replicate number of cells to make fresh cells until the day we die. It will never change, and it won't affect outside of our program, which is cool. All right. So now we need to make that. So we call traverse borders, which takes an index and returns a direction which you need to go. And if you look up what traverse is, what? Chevy's making a new car called the Traverse, guys. Did you know that? It's a mid-size SUV crossover. Cool. I didn't know that. Okay. Well then. That's interesting. Traverse Haskell. Functor and T. Oh, I can do this, dumbass. Traverse. Make cell, takes a function that takes A and returns a applicative on B. It takes a traversal on A and returns a function, applicative traversal T. Functor representing data structure can be traversed from left to right. Wait, hold on, what? I need traverse. That's what I'm looking for. Traverse. Map each element of a structure to an action. Evaluate those actions from left to right. Collect the results. For reversion... Oh! Okay. I see. So yeah, this is getting the directions. So now we have a... Common will go there. Maze. Cell. This is not... Okay, so I have the random direction is here. So basically I have a maze. I guess get direction is what I'll be looking for. Get direction, DIRICTION. This will return a direction. So that means we have data direction equals direction north, south, east, west. And this will take what? Takes an index and then an IO of a direction. Oh, right, because we're going to do IO shit. Yeah. IO of a direction. And the reason why we're using IO is because Haskell likes to tell you when you're interacting with scope or with state. And so this IO isn't like IO like writing to a file or reading from a file. It's state input output. So the reason why we're it's IO is because we're gonna have to call a random number generator, and that affects a seed, and changing that seed is considered state IO. So yeah, we're gonna take the index. Is index? Hold on. All right, because we're just calling it index, right? Oh, you actually have a width returns an index, height returns an index. Oh, I see. An index is an int. You're really smart. Okay. Type index is int. Or is that equals? It's equals. So this takes an index and returns an IO of direction. Get direction. Basically, we have I, and we use, oh fuck, guarding, I think? I forgot what this is called. Basically, if we're in, okay, I get this. So this is a, I totally get this. Get direction index equals. This is using guard statements. So if, how does he do this? R and C. Where is R and C coming from? Index is an integer. And a point. I gotta go now. Thanks for the stream. You're welcome, Moonman. Thank you so very much for joining me. I hope your day goes by fast today. No one likes working on the weekend. So where does he get point from? This takes an index, an I and an C. Borders. Oh, right. He's using... I think I know what he's doing. Fill maze. Borders from 0 to 1. Traverse border from 0 to 1. No. R equals 0 and C equals does not equal width. Oh, where R and C is from index. Oh, I'm a dumbass. All right. I get it. So he's row and column. Okay, I get it. So I can totally do like this. If row is equal to 0 and column does not equal width minus 1, then we return pure E. Yes. And so pure kind of wraps it in the IO. So we do have, so basically if you're on the north wall and you're not in the corner, return east. If row does not equal something and column is equal to width minus 1, return pure north, NORTH, does not equal 0. Yeah, it does not equal 0. All right. Nope, that's a 0. All right, so basically we're going, basically if we're on the top and we're not in the corner, we turn the east. If we're on the east wall and not in the corner, we turn north. Otherwise, right? Other OTHERwise, get random direction index where row column equals get point from index. All right, so means I have to make these two. Get random direction, row and column. All right, so yes. From index I, so now I need to get a point from the index, which is, I have this here. Get cell from index, no. I need to get random number, get not random number from list. Directions, that's not what I want. Do I have it? I don't think I have it here, do I? Get an initial direction, make fresh cell, make cell in random direction, common, and lib. No, I don't. I don't need lib. Go away. Maze. So get point from index takes an index and turns a tuple of int. Oops. Equals, and he already has this here, which is from index. Oh, interesting. That's what he does, and returns a point. Oh, and then you also make sure it's a valid index. I get it. No. Oh, divid mod. That's fancy. I didn't even think of that. Then he actually does a valid index, so I need to make a new type. Point equals int. And this will return a point. P-Y-N-T. Interesting. So he does a valid index to make sure it's valid and make sure it's, you know, index boolean. Interesting. So he basically, so how do we know if it's, so what's a valid index, right? Valid index takes an index, nope, index, and returns a boolean. Valid index index is equal to basically have to make sure it's within the bounds, right? If I is greater than 0 and I is, yeah, that makes sense. If index is greater than or equal to 0 and index is less than number of cells. And there we go. All right, guys. Well, I am going to end it here. It is now 11 o'clock. Thank you all so very much for joining me. I'm really sorry the beginning of my stream was muted. I didn't know it was muted. That was my fault. If you want to see more of me, you can catch me tomorrow from 11 in the morning to noon. Right now it's 11. I'm in Washington State. So, yeah. So what we got done so far, we realized my mic wasn't working. Oh no, we realized the settings of OBS wasn't set up correctly. Oops. What else? We started to get back into code. We also tried to follow some instructions on how to get like a Haskell ID and all that other good shit. Didn't work out well. So now we're finally went back into the code. So we looked at the other example Numa Demosa made. Everyone left now. That's awesome. Yeah, we looked at the other example Numa Demosa made, and then we actually tried code, and we're gonna make it even better. So that's what we're doing, guys. If you're watching on Twitch as a VOD, please give me a follow. I'd love to know I like being followed. It's a nice little feeling. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe. When you subscribe, you'll let me know that you would love to be part of a group of people who know that learning is hard and understanding that. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Give me a thumbs down if you hate what you see. In any case, please just let me know what you hate and don't like, or what you do like, so I can make this better, you know? Second, guys, go to www.programmingguy.com, buy a shirt. They're great Gildan quality shirts. If you don't know, Gildan is a pretty high quality t-shirt. You'll love it. I guarantee it. You can get these in white or black, all the way from male, female, all the way from small to 3X large. Man, I got everything for everyone. But I love you all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, same channel, from some 68K programming. But yeah, everyone, I love you all, and I will see you all tomorrow at 11 in the morning. Bye.